Horses out, one slow out, Pagano. We have Princess Cat is on the outside. Danori inside is I Am on Fire. Racing in third, Abigail Joyce and on the outside. Ilocos Magic, Pagano, and Toyoto is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have I Am on Fire by about 2 lengths. And in second is Princess Cat. Abigail Joyce is racing in third, 3 lengths. The win for Ilocos Magic, Toyoto, Pagano, and it's still I Am on Fire by our lane Kanehapa. Abigail Joyce is running by the second, and on the outside is Princess Cat. 2.5 lengths the win for Ilocos Magic, Pagano, Toyoto, and it's still I Am on Fire by about 2 lengths. Princess Cat now in second, and on the outside third is Ilocos Magic, then followed by Pagano. Number 4, I Am on Fire, stop running. We have Ilocos Magic, takes the lead. Danori inside is Princess Cat. Pagano is on the outside. We have Ilocos Magic. Pagano is on the outside. Danori inside is Princess Cat. As they come down at the last 150, we have Pagano, this time by about 3 lengths. Ilocos Magic in second, Princess Cat in third. Last 100 meters, we have Pagano by about 5 lengths over Ilocos Magic, and nearing the finish line, it's Pagano. Second, Ilocos Magic, Princess Cat. Then comes Abigail Joyce, Toyoto, and I Am on Fire.
Dehado pa. Number 6, Pagano. Medyo hindi pa maganda ang salida, pero still siyang